Okay, so we had a power surge. I came home. This thing was going off. It had been reset. So I unplugged it, plugged it in again. It was still going off. I just want you to know that it's still chirping. And guess what? It's not plugged in. My stuff is officially possessed. Like, what is this? I can't even get it to stop after it's not plugged in, and there's no battery plugged in. Look, no battery. Did it finally stop? I'm just saying, like, that's not normal. Like, what's going on? I don't know if I should try to plug it in again. Like, okay. That only happens on Supernatural or scary movies. I'm just saying. Okay.